Hey there, lovely couples. Let's talk about spicing things up in your relationship without even having to undress. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm sharing some amazing foreplay tips that'll leave you both craving for more while keeping your clothes on. First up, it's all about the tease. Light touches can drive your partner wild. Use your fingertips to trace patterns on their skin, arms, neck, and especially the back. It's the anticipation that gets the heart racing. Next, don't underestimate the power of words. Whisper sweet nothings or your deepest desires into their ear. Use a soft, sultry voice. Words can be incredibly sexy and can create an intimate connection that goes beyond physical touch. Now, let's talk about eye contact. Maintaining intense eye contact can build a magnetic connection. It's like having a conversation without speaking. Look into each other's eyes, and you'll feel the chemistry in the air. Moving on. Massage is a game changer. Give your partner a gentle shoulder or foot massage. Focus on their comfort and relaxation. Use a bit of pressure, but keep it soothing. This can be incredibly sensual and shows you care about their well-being. Another great tip: dance together. Put on some slow, romantic music and sway together. Feel each other's rhythm and move in sync. It's a beautiful way to connect and feel each other's presence. Now, this one's fun. Play a game. Try a playful game that involves touching or kissing, like a scavenger hunt where you hide small notes or treats on each other's bodies. It's flirty, fun, and brings out the playful side of your relationship. Kissing, of course, is a must. But don't just kiss on the lips. Explore other areas like the neck, earlobes, and even the wrists. These spots can be extremely sensitive and can heighten the excitement. Don't forget about the power of scent. Light a scented candle or spray some perfume. Scents can trigger memories and emotions, adding another layer to your intimate moments. Lastly, just be present. Put away distractions, turn off your phones, and focus solely on each other. Being fully present shows that you value each other and are dedicated to making the moment special. Remember, intimacy doesn't always mean undressing. These foreplay tips can bring you closer together and ignite that spark without taking off a single piece of clothing. So go ahead, give them a try, and have fun exploring each other in new and exciting ways. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay in love and keep the passion alive. Until next time, take care.